Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So starting with the benchmark indices, both the Nifty as well as the Sensex is down more than 0.2% in trade and trading in the red. Sensex down more than 100 points today, trading around the 59,200 levels, while the Nifty is down 0.2% like I mentioned, and that is trading around the 17,600 levels, slightly above the 17,600 levels. Actually, when you look at the broader markets, actually on the other hand, are outperforming the benchmark indices. Both the mid cap as well as the small cap space is up almost 0.5% in trade as well. Now, sectors that are doing well and are advancing are PSU banks and Nifty Realty are the indexes which are doing well, up more than 1% in trade, while Nifty Media as well as Auto and IT are a bit of a drag in the market as well and trading in the red. Now, let's look at the individual stock movers in trade today. So, what is buzzing this afternoon? One, we have Indian Overseas Bank that has surged as much as 13% in trade. Now, the Reserve Bank of India has taken IOB out of the PCA framework as they say that the bank is no more in breach of the PCA threshold limit. So surely good news coming in for IOB as they come out of the PCA framework. Moving on, we have Persistent Systems also, which is in focus today. The stock has advanced as much as 3.5% in trade today after the company has inked an agreement to acquire two payment solutions and an IT support company, and this is for a total value of around $60 million. Now first, the company will buy a US-based Software Corp International and its affiliate Fusion 360 for around $53 million, as well as the business and assets of the digital service provider Sri Partners and its Indian subsidiary, which is Sri Infosoft. Now that is for $6.87 million. So overall, a $60 million agreement coming in for these companies, and keep an eye out on Persistent System as it inks and packed by two payment solution companies and an IT support company as well. Moving on, JK Cement also in focus. The stock has risen as much as 2.4%, 2.5% in trade as the company says that its clinker capacity of line 3 at Rajasthan plant stands increased to 6,500 TPD from previously 5,000 TPD. So surely keep an eye out on JK Cements as well. Blue Dart also in focus. Blue Dart Express also in focus. The stock is up as much as 1.5% to 2% in trade as the company will increase its average shipment price by 9.6% from January 2022. So 1st January 2022. So they have said, the company is saying that the customers signing up from October 1st to December 31st will not get impacted by this price increase. It's going to be from 1st Jan 2022. Keep an eye out on that as well. Lastly, among the losers, we do have Z Entertainment, which is down as much as 2 to 3% in trade after the company has said that the major shareholder Invesco as well as OFI Global China Fund has filed a petition with the NCLT seeking extraordinary general meeting, and the funds owned around 17.9% stake in Z, and now they are seeking for reconstitution of the board and removal of 3 directors, which includes Puneet Goenka as well. So surely the tussle between Invesco and Z continues, and the stock under pressure today, and these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade this afternoon.